Good evening, this is Kurt from the Model Railroad Collector Wiki. And today, our tutorial, we are going to look at a feature of the wiki called column visibility. Now, column visibility is a feature that's available on all of the tables in the wiki. That includes the database tables for the directory and the tables that display the collections, the personal collections. So let's have a look and see how this is done. So in the wiki, whether you are logged in or not, if you click on Model Train Directory and select a category, let's select locomotives for this tutorial, and let's let the screen load here as it downloads all of the locomotives that are available. Now, the column visibility feature is a button that you'll find right up here in the upper left-hand corner of the menu bar here. And currently the default, when you load any table in the directory, you get an image, the name of the manufacturer, the scale, the category that it belongs in, the article number, version, the year that it was introduced, and the year that it was discontinued. There are a number of other data points for each item, but you can't see them because they don't all fit on one screen. So if you think of the table display of the wiki as a spreadsheet, then you know that a spreadsheet can have multiple columns and multiple rows. Now, the rows represent one item in the table, and the columns represent a different data point. So in order to choose what you would like to see visible in the table, you use the column visibility feature. So if we click on this, you'll see what happens. It opens, and you have a number of different characteristics, data points that are available for you to display or hide. Now, you may be able to see that in the background of this top one here, the image, it's a little darker than this one in collection. Manufacturer, a little darker. If it's a dark color, that means that column is selected for display. So I'll show you here. Now, let's say you want to show the manufacturer's logo. So here you can see it's not displayed. If you click on this, what it does is it inserts a column into the table, in this case a column with the logo for the manufacturer. So if you like to see a visible representation of the manufacturer, instead of the written name of the manufacturer, then you can turn on the logo. And if you click manufacturer, you can turn off the column that you don't want to see. So there are a number of different columns that you can choose to show. Very common are to show the railway company. I'll click on that so you can see there's the railway company that shows up. The prototype shows up here. Also common are the running numbers. Oftentimes people like to see what those are too. So once you're satisfied with the layout of your table, all you need to do is click outside of this window. So I'll click here. That goes away, and you now have the new layout of your table. So this feature is available on all types of tables within the wiki. In the collections, the personal collections table, the options in the column visibility are different from here in the directory database. So whenever you want to see or hide a column, then you go to column visibility, click on it, and then click to show or click to hide one of the items that are available to you. Okay, so that's the tip of the day. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, reach out to me on the contact form. Okay, thanks.